WSO2 integration provides a powerful platform for seamlessly connecting and integrating applications, services, and systems. To make the integration process easier, here's a comprehensive tutorial that covers the key aspects of WSO2 integration. 1. Understanding integration concepts. Familiarize yourself with integration concepts such as message mediation, transformation, routing, and service orchestration. Gain an understanding of different integration patterns and techniques. 2. Install WSO2 integration platform. Download and install the WSO2 integration platform, which includes the WSO2 Enterprise Integrator, EI, and other relevant components. Follow the installation instructions provided by WSO2. 3. Explore WSO2 documentation. Visit the official WSO2 documentation website, docs.wso2.com, and browse through the integration-related resources. Familiarize yourself with the available features, components, and configuration options. 4. Getting started with WSO2 EI. Start by learning the basics of WSO2 Enterprise Integrator. Understand the architecture, components like the Enterprise Service Bus, ESB, connectors, and mediators. 5. Designing integration flows. Learn how to design integration flows using the graphical tooling provided by WSO2 Integration Studio. Understand concepts like sequences, endpoints, message mediation, and error handling. 6. Message transformation. Explore different message formats, XML, JSON, etc., and learn how to transform messages between these formats using XSLT, XPath, JSONPath, and other transformation techniques supported by WSO2 EI. 7. Working with connectors. Gain hands-on experience with WSO2 EI connectors that allow you to integrate with various systems and protocols. Learn how to configure connectors for popular technologies like databases, file systems, JMS, HTTP/S, and more. 8. Service orchestration. Understand how to orchestrate services and create complex integration flows using WSO2 EI. Learn about concepts like proxy services, APIs, composite applications, and BPEL, Business Process Execution Language. 9. Security and governance. Explore security aspects of integration, including authentication, authorization, and securing APIs. Learn how to apply security policies, configure transport-level security, and manage identities using WSO2 Identity Server. 10. Monitoring and troubleshooting. Learn how to monitor and troubleshoot integration flows using WSO2 EI's monitoring and logging capabilities. Understand how to analyze logs, monitor message flows, and identify and resolve issues. 11. Deployment and scalability. Gain knowledge on deploying integration artifacts to different environments and scaling your integration solutions. Learn about clustering, load balancing, and high availability options provided by WSO2 integration. 12. Integration best practices. Explore best practices and recommendations for designing, developing, and maintaining integration solutions using WSO2. Learn about performance optimization, error handling strategies, and code organization. 13. Community support and resources. Engage with the WSO2 community by joining forums, attending webinars, and exploring additional resources like blogs, sample projects, and video tutorials. Leverage community support to enhance your integration skills. By following this comprehensive tutorial, you'll gain a solid understanding of WSO2 integration and be equipped to build seamless integration solutions. Remember to practice with hands-on exercises and real-world scenarios to reinforce your learning.